Higgsfield is now free and unlimited. No. It really is. It really is.
You're lying, right?
For 24 hours after you sign up for free, you can access best AI video and image generators and create amazing content without paying anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process, and then we are going to test it by creating a bunch of AI videos and images using some ultra cool prompts. Let's go. Okay, so let's log into Higgsfield with a completely new account. So search for Higgsfield, click here, then we'll see on the home page we have a $0 free trial. Let's click on sign up with Google, enter your email, your password, standard things, and sign in. Here we are in the loading page. Here you need to just fill in a couple of questionnaires. It takes a couple of seconds, and that's about it. After you sign up, you get your personal code for 61% if you would like to purchase sometime additional subscription. And now here on the homepage, click on Get Free Trial for $0. Here you will see how the trial works and how to cancel it. So this offer is valid for 24 hours after you sign up and until July 23rd. Okay, so let's try it out. Here you are led to the page to enter the credit card, but your total due will be $0 or euros or any other currency you use. So enter the data and click on Start Trial. Remember, you can cancel anytime. And after that, we received this great notification. So 1 day unlimited free trial is now active. You have 1 day of unlimited generations on all top models. Your trial ends on July 23rd. That is really great. So let's start generating. So of course, first I will try video, and also I will try Seedance 2.0. Here, as you can see in the right upper corner, I have 1 day free trial and almost 0 credits. So here you can see I can toggle between unlimited and paid mode. With paid mode, you of course spend credits, but I can click on unlimited. Nice. So let's try this amazing prompt. All prompts will be available on my website techtutorzone.com. Uploaded image of myself and uploaded image of this nice lady, and let's click generate. Video is already generating. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes depending on the load to generate. And here is our video, so let's look at it. Now that was pretty good. So now let's change to Gemini Omni Flash to do some mixing of the real video and AI video editing. So I'll upload media. So here I have a static recording of my laptop and Panther Chameleon on the screen. Now let's add this. Then let's use this interesting prompt and make this Panther Chameleon come out of the laptop. So unlimited mode and generate Gemini Omni Flash. This was done rather fast, so let's look at this video. Haha, nice. The little thing is coming out of the monitor of my laptop. Pretty great. And as you can see, I generated so many different videos using top models. We'll watch all of them and I'll share all of the prompts, but I also generated many images using GPT Image 2 or Nano Banana or some others. So for example, here we have great infographics describing all of the parts of this Mustang. Then we have this detailed JSON prompting for this watch and miniature people working on it. Then also this character design sheet I used for the video later. This one I also used for the video. This one. Then we have this nice editorial spread. Pretty good, you can insert yourself here easily. Commercial JSON prompting. This one also here I inserted my own face. This is a great prompt you can try. For example, let's use that one. But this time let's use image of that lady here. So conceptual poster artwork structured as multi-panel mosaic features image 1 distributed across 3 unique photographic segments. Many different things in this prompt. Let's use GPT Image 2. Here you see unlimited. Let's click. She's generating and it should be done very soon. And here she is, looking very nice. We have 3 different images here looking kind of a vintage from Paris, and also here the music. Very good prompt. Interestingly enough, if you click on audio, those things are also free for now. So here you have ElevenLabs, then you have Seed Audio MiniMax, and then when you click on unlimited, you can describe the sounds and generate. So just type what you like. Hi, how are you? Roxy. Let's use Killian. Unlimited. Generating. And this was done in a matter of 3 seconds, so let's hear Killian.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, I'm pretty good. Now going back to video, let's watch some of the coolest creations I made here completely for free. All of the prompts available on my website. And if you want to try out Higgsfield for free, please hurry up. The link is in the description down below. So let's watch some of the creations. Here we go.
What do you regret most in life?
I regret not being more in meetings and Zoom calls.
What happened?
Hey guys, since my wife's cooking takes horrible, today I'm buying from this market instead. It's your prepulsa vlog on the rank food is perfectly ranking.
Ma'am, what did you see?
It was insane! The blue car hit ice, spun 360, and missed me by inches! I thought